You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Friday, pressured by poor manufacturing data and short covering ahead of the G8 meeting over the weekend, where it was thought international leaders might agree a coordinated response to the Eurozone crisis. The dollar ended the day at 1.2779 to the euro and 79.00 to the yen. Top of the economic calendar today is the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. Next to the euro. The euro rose after Greek exit fears eased following a shift in political opinion on growing optimism international leaders might agree a resolution to the crisis at the next G8 meeting. The single currency ended the day at 100.96 to the yen and 0.8080 to the pound. British pound. The pound recovered on Friday after risk appetite rebounded on easing Europe fears, although dovish commentary from a Bank of England official weighed. Sterling finished the day's trading at 1.5818 to the dollar and 124.94 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen stopped rallying after haven demand fell on new Greek recovery hopes, although it remained poised to make more gains after recent strong growth figures as poor data turned the outlook negative for the dollar. The yen ended the day at 79.00 to the dollar and 100.96 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.2745 with 1.2815 and 1.287 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.2745, which will open the way to 1.271 and 1.2665. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5775 with 1.5845 and 1.589 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.5775, which will open the way to 1.5735 and 1.5695. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 79.5 with 78.9 and 78.65 in sight. The downside penetration of 79.5, which will call for 79.7 and 79.95. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.